Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, November 22nd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements: please post attendance. Copies, please be mindful of your copy usage. Late duty today is Miss Check. Tomorrow is Miss Duberg. Wednesday is Miss Curd. Thursday is Miss Hamlin. And Friday is Miss Langford. Week before last, when we were here, we had a competition to see who could raise the most money for St. Jude's Research Hospital. I do not have those totals yet, but we will be finding out soon which grade level was successful in raising the most money and being a great partner for St. Jude's, and who will be earning the pizza party. Also, it is time to stuff the bus. So, bring a toy to stuff the bus. You'll bring a new unwrapped toy to the school before December 8th. Okay, so that's next week, and they're all going to go to WKRG's Magical Christmas Toy Drive. So bring a toy to stuff the bus. If you contribute a toy to the toy drive, you get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 10th. All right, so everybody make sure you go home and let Mom and Dad know it's that time again to bring in your unwrapped new toy to school. Make sure that you let your teacher know so she gets you on your list so that you can wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 10th. Kate Shepherd usually brings more toys than any other school. One of the top bringers every time. So we don't want to lose our spot. We are going to do a great job bringing in some toys. Word of the day is repeated addition. Repeated addition is adding equal groups of objects to find the total amount of objects. So adding the same number again and again until you find out the total amount. So in this instance, we have a row of 4 and another row of 4 and another row of 4. So we added 4 plus 4 plus 4 and we got 12. That's repeated addition. Some important dates. Today, November 29th, we will begin reading and math diagnostics. Miss Litscomb mentioned this in her email she sent yesterday, so go ahead and take a look at that. December 8th is the deadline for toy drive donations at 8:30 a.m. Okay, so you will give till December 8th, but we will cut it off at 8:30 a.m. So make sure you get it. Try to get it in by December 7th so you don't have to worry about it. December 9th is the tentative date for the spelling bee. December 10th, the toy drive participants can wear their Christmas shirt and jeans, and also that will be the day that the door decorations are judged. December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. Congratulations to our most recent iReady Stars of the Week. The top class with the highest percent of students with 30 minutes or more of engaged time. In kindergarten and first, it was Miss Duberg's class. In second, third, it's Miss Granger's class. And again, fourth and fifth is Miss Wolf's class. The top students with the most lessons passed. In K1, it's Timotheus Emerson with 12 lessons in Miss Clark's class. Second and third, it's Owen Wood with 14 lessons in Miss Battaglia's class. Good job, guys. And fourth and fifth, it's Safari Timmons with 12 lessons in Miss Moore's class. Wow, that is a lot of lessons for those 3 students. Wowzers. All right, good job, guys. Way to go. Can't wait to see who our iReady Stars of this week are going to be. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.